Miss Jenny parang frequent buyer na lang siya.
Oh, yeah. Alright, guys. Next, while we are
Next item.
moving along here smoothly, Meti. This is another beautiful, fast-moving item. Sobrang ganda. Off the bat, front-facing, excellent condition, new structure. I'm not seeing any flaws to mention on the canvas at the front. We do have hairline scratches on the hardware, but the corners of the hardware have, or one corner pala has plastic film, but the rest none. So, may konting scratches there. Let's open her up. In a bit, let's check the corners pa pala first. Ay, sorry, this one's. Parang 6 sides ito eh. So, on the glazing on the back side here, we do have some nicks. Little nicks, little indentations here. But this corner and the front flat corner, no flaws. Just the glazing on the back side. So, none here, just the glazing here. If we go down this length, no issues to mention, even on the glazing, but on the opposite side, may konting little nicks there. But just here, wala. So just at the edge here, but these 3 parts, no issues. We look at the back side. I love the zipper pocket here. Clean interior, smooth pull. Okay, let's take a look at the bichette at the top. So there is some discoloration, some water marking or oxidation there. May parang freckling, splotchy siya, so it's a bit uneven. But guys, throw a twilly on, no big deal. Or if you don't even mind, you can just hold on like that. It's not noticeable naman, maganda pa rin siya. And sometimes that's a way of knowing if it's authentic. Yung super puti, you know right away that it's not. This one is made in the USA. Okay. And it is clean on the inside, no foul smell, all pockets, and again, back pocket clean. No issues to mention. Adjustable strap. This comes with dust bag and entropy certificate. Again, year for this is 2019. Beautiful item, guys. Needs a little bit of polish on this guy, but otherwise excellent. We are selling her for mine this for 70,000. Mine for 70,000. Mine for 70,000, guys. 70, excellent condition. No real heavy flaws to mention. Just some oxidation or some watermarks at the top. But it's beautiful. Ang ganda. Mine for 70. Mine for 68. We've taken it down for 2K. Down by 2K rather, sorry. Mine 68,000. Okay. Next item. 2019. Yeah. Okay, Ma'am Marga, of course, 60,000, guys. Do you want to grab this one, this beautiful piece for 60?
Saka light patina pa. I noticed from that distance, andun ako eh. I'm checking the newly consigned items, newly outright buys, mga daming bagong items. So yeah, because we don't get to flex everything during the live selling. Multifaceted yung posts namin. Some are outright buy videos, di ba, kung napapansin nyo, para meron kaming postings every day so that you see what we have on hand. That's how we're also trying to show everyone what we have in stock. Because most of the buyers just pay online. Ang mga buyers, hindi pumunta dito. You know who visits us? Those who sell to us because they want to walk away with cash in hand. Remember, we do outright purchase, direct buy outs. So umaalis yung mga clients if their items, the items that are offering are easily verifiable, easy to authenticate. Pag easy to authenticate, nauuwi mo ng cash on your visit, during your visit. Alright, mine 60,000, more items, again, go. New items for live prices, new items at low prices, again, Miss Cici. Okay. And this has a back pocket. One of the best sellers, this is, I don't think, only a few are not familiar with the Meti. Parang lahat ng tao alam mo yung Meti. This is a popular style from Louis Vuitton.
Crossbody na.
Pastel crossbody.
Alright, so first minor is Ma'am Ning Ning on Facebook. Second minor is on IG, which is Ma'am Mirna. Next is Ma'am Jovi on Facebook. We will go back to Instagram. That's Ma'am Lorraine Bianca. And finally, Ma'am Elaine de Guzman.
De Guzman. It's so slang. De Guzman.
How is it?
De Guzman.
De Guzman. How did I say it?
De Guzman.
Sorry, from
Even though naging 60. Congratulations, ma'am. This is really nice. But no dust bag, just... Ay, meron pala here.
Yummy just like this. Congratulations, Miss Ning Ning. Next item. We have these Furla Metropolis bags. This is in mini size, the lilac one. While this red one is in small size. Both in gold hardware. Guys, unused condition, may tag pa. I'll start with this one, the lilac one. With tag. Mine Mini 7,000. Mine Mini for 7,000. You got that, Miss Ning Ning. Please don't forget.
Ay, Victoria, habang nandyan ka, ito si Senator Robin Padilla. Ay live
Ayan,
ngayon,
lumabas.
naka-yellow siya na jacket or barong. At nakita siyang naglalakad ngayon, very casual ang paglalakad niya, kalmado paglalakad. Tira,
Saan po kayo pupunta, sir?
Yan, lapitan mo. Yan.
Teka lang, lapitan. Okay.
Oo, bakit tayo tayo ngayon kay
Alright.
Senator Padilla?
So, si Senator Robin Padilla ay umakyat sa staircase. Ito yung back stairs.
Sir, ano nangyayari? Sir, sino yung pinapaputukan, sir? Sir, sino yung pinapaputukan, sir?
Kita, wow. Wala, naka-live lang din.
Advance.